Hey everyone, ready to elevate your driving experience? Imagine cruising through Canada's breathtaking landscapes, majestic mountains and open roads ahead. But wait, is that glare blinding you? Summer drives shouldn't be unbearable. Let's explore 7 transformative ways car window tinting can revolutionize your journey. Picture this, stepping into your car, feeling an instant wave of relief from the heat. With professional window tinting, it's not just aesthetics, it's comfort. Car window films can reduce interior heat by up to 60%. Give your air conditioning a break and lower your carbon footprint with tinted windows. Let's talk about your skin. Did you know untreated car windows allow up to 60% of harmful UVA and UVB rays inside? Protect yourself. Top-quality ceramic tints block 99% of UV rays. Feel great during your drives while safeguarding your skin from damage and aging. Cruising into privacy and security? Imagine your car as a sanctuary. Tinted windows shield you from prying eyes and deter theft. Reduced visibility makes it harder for thieves to see your valuables. That's security you can rely on while on the go. Now say goodbye to glare. Tinted windows significantly reduce sunlight and headlights glare. Enjoy safer night drives without squinting. Your car is a reflection of you. Tinted windows offer endless customization options, from sleek shades to bold finishes. Make a statement. Now, before you tint, let's discuss legal standards. Each Canadian province has rules for window tint darkness. Stay informed and compliant. Consult with experts like iSmartTinting to ensure you maximize benefits while staying on the right side of the law. Ready to transform your driving experience with window tinting? Don't endure heat and glare. Embrace comfort and style. Visit iSmartTinting today. Let's start your journey to a cooler, safer, and more stylish ride. Your car deserves the best. Stay tuned for more automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy every moment on the road.